So everybody, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to react this performance video. Let's get started. The transition is so smooth and we love the golden lighting. That switch formation is so seamless. Really, it's so smooth. The vibe instantly feels like a witchy ritual, in my opinion. The choreo hits hard, really. It's giving creepy and elegant. That expression and what's it called? Hand gestures is boss level. Wow. The energy is really contagious. I'm here for it. Wow. The last part is giving perfect mystic girl group energy. They made that witchy girl aesthetic. A plus. Love this one, and the camera work. They didn't come to play. This is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.